Hey everybody, this is Gary again. I just got through watching your intro videos and thank you very much for posting those. Just a reminder to a couple of people, maybe only one, who uploaded their video to Carmen or to Canvas. Don't want you to upload videos. Please put them on YouTube at any point when we do things like this, and share the link because we don't want to download videos. Okay, this week, week 2, you're going to be doing the photo reflection project, basically. I like to call it the job reflection project. It's more accurate. But basically, it is, we'll get to that later, I'll show you. But you're going to be responding to others in this assignment, just like you do on your discussion boards. Do not forget to post your discussion board questions, a summary first, and then the answer to the question, and then respond to one of your peers. But do the summary and the response to the question by Friday night so that your peers in your groups can read yours and respond to yours by Sunday night, okay? Same thing will happen this week with a different thing. Now, I believe you have different videos to look at, but in this photo reflection project, which is right here, if you click on this, you can see that it is done in 2 stages. Right here, you have to go to payscale.com, and you can click on this link here, and you're going to be answering 6 questions about what you like, and then it will suggest a couple of jobs for you, actually 2 or 3 or 4 jobs. You pick 2 of them, and then summarize each based on the other payscale.com research website right here, and you're going to be summarizing each job, 3 paragraphs. Job 1, summarize. Job 2, summarize. And then paragraph number 3, basically you're going to respond and tell what you think about those choices that it suggested for you. Remember also, before you do these 2 summaries, put an intro paragraph way at the beginning to explain the assignment. Assume that the reader of this particular thing has no idea why you are writing this. So introduce the fact that you went to payscale.com to answer some questions and what you need to do for the assignment. And then go into the summaries. Okay? Basically, that's it. But you can read these, the description right here. You're going to upload that, and then as soon as you are uploaded, your first draft is uploaded, you will get a peer matched to you who will read yours, and then you need to comment on and give a peer review, basically. Similar to what I did for your personal profile. And by the way, your personal profiles, I am going to look at those starting tomorrow. I hopefully have all of my comments in by Thursday so that you can start to edit those and look at my comments and then upload the final draft to the revised version of the personal profile and then put it onto your blog site, your u.osu.edu site, by, I believe, Saturday night, but I think I'll give you till Sunday night to do that, okay? So that is basically it. If we go back here to your schedule, you can see all of the things that you need to do this week. Okay? Videos, readings, discussion board by Friday night, over here, responding to your peer by Sunday night, creating and submitting your photo reflection draft by Sunday night, and then watch all the videos just like I did of your peers in that discussion board. And then revise and post your personal profile to your u.osu.edu homepage. It says here to start Thursday, so that gives me until Thursday morning to try to get comments on all of your personal profiles. Look at the specific comments, and then also look at the general comments. Look at everything, and then make those revisions, okay? Very good. Have a good week. See you later.